Here's a little Friday workshop walkthrough bonus. This is the 3D printed finger, because in our safety unit for workshop safety, we actually go through the process of what would happen if there were a horrible workshop injury. So we actually have to go through what to do, what numbers to phone, where to wait, how to open the roller door, how to flag down an ambulance, all that kind of stuff. So the 3D printed finger, it's a new one because we've lost the old one, and it's printed in Silk Rainbow PLA. So it looks a little bit less intimidating than the last one. There you go. There's a little bonus.